that royal look is there. Honda City gets a lot of respect. हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते जो बोलते हैं ना, वो फील ही होता है कार के अंदर. I have a love for this car. I am Amitava Ghosh and my car is Honda City. The engine type is 1.5 i-vtec engine. माइलेज तो काफ़ी अच्छा है. आई फील इट इज़ फ्रॉम 70 to 20 आराम से दे दे. Maintenance once in 6 months it says, but in a year it comes around 10,000 rupees. So not more than that. Last time जो मैंने किया था, because of the last year rain, so we changed the brake valves. It was not necessary, but I changed it because of my precautionary measure. कुछ 4,000 के आसपास, like no. Overall it came around 10,000 bucks.
अगर रेट करना हो तो out of 10 कितना रेट करेंगे आप?
I'll give 7 out of 10. So that as far as Honda is concerned, I feel that it is within the reach, and that kind of expense is quite reasonable enough. I was using Maruti Swift. It's a basically pride possession, and we could afford it that point in time. The choice was between BRV or City. So BRV, we thought that City is better option than BRV. So we thought Honda in mind actually previous to purchasing this car. Rokra 14 plus, 14 plus. Both my wife and my wish was to go for Honda City only. White in the sense because Calcutta is very hot city. The white color it reflects inside the car is relatively much cooler. Apart from that, I like white color and it gives a kind of a peace, harmony. Look and feel wise, it's very royal look. It's like a swan basically, See, headlight wise, there is a chance of improvement. मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है. जैसे पहला दूसरा hatchback में ना हम ऐसा I have to sit very stiff. Steering adjust हो सकता है, ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. Then you can accordingly, as per your height, you can adjust the sitting. This is a central lock. The moment the car starts moving, car automatically gets locked from all the sides. The driver controls the central lock. Boot space तो is pretty good, pretty big. 500 liters के आसपास होना चाहिए. 5-6 बैग तो आराम से आ जाता है. मतलब I have never felt any problem in putting the luggage. City is very comfort. It's not like you're driving. It's just relaxing drive. That kind of composure, that kind of the comfort factor is there inside. On a highway, run the car by between 120 to 140 might be, at times it goes to 160 also. So that point in time, you feel the greatness of riding a Honda City or driving a Honda City. So वो टाइम में ना आपका ये कार का मतलब जो खासियत है ना वो आपको पता चलता है. Absolutely, absolutely. City में तो आपको तो वैसा उतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलेगा. You never feel like the tiredness after driving for hours together, for 5-6 hours. आप अगर गाड़ी चलाते भी हो ना, car runs very smoothly. You don't feel any kind of a tiredness or fatigue. I have never felt any kind of that back issue driving this car. It's a family car. Leg space is very good. You can have your full family, 4 to 5 people, members sitting inside the car. You can, हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते जो बोलते हैं ना, वो फील ही होता है कार के अंदर. One problem which I felt in city is the ground clearance is very low. That is the only hindrance I have found in Honda City. The bumpers and without a rhyme and reason people put bumpers where the car has got stuck. The petrol tank area it got greased while moving the car. Reverse में can you see this? ये जो direction, ये जो direction है ना, ये आपको अगर if you have to take a left or right reverse, तो ये direction change नहीं होती है. दूसरा जो नया upgraded version है उसमें change हो जाता है, तो you can adjust it without seeing rear. Back side नहीं देख के. That is one of the disadvantage of this car.
Thank you so much for your review and your time, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.